Welcome to Campbell Mountain Estates, gated community living in the heart of Haywood County. Fit a lot of life in this open, single-level townhome. Featuring an eat-in kitchen. With a primary ensuite bedroom. And a 3-season screen-in porch. And a split floor plan. Conveniently located near local interstates in downtown historic Waynesville. Close enough to Maggie Valley to make Joey's your pancake destination.